It's not going to work. Well, hi, Eastview. I am trying to figure out what the next reading challenge is going to be. We have had some great ones in the past. We did the 100-year-old reading challenge. We did the Grinch reading challenge this year. We did the turkey reading challenge. But I just can't figure out what to do. So it's springtime. Maybe we could do something springy. Oh, I know. The spring cleaning reading challenge. The boys and girls could clean your rooms and read. That's not going to work. What else happens in springtime? Oh, I know. I get allergies in the springtime. We could do the allergy reading challenge. I could give out a box of tissues for everybody that reads and gets out. That's terrible. How about the spring break reading challenge? We could send the whole school to the beach. That's going to be too expensive. I am out of ideas. Oh, I know. I got it. The gardening reading challenge. People like to garden in the spring. I can give everybody a bag of dirt for reading. That's a terrible idea. I need a good idea for a springtime reading challenge. Did you hear that sound? Did you see that? That's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna wear the spring chicken costume to your classroom if you do some extra reading this spring break. We'll call it the Spring Chicken Reading Challenge. Boys and girls, if you turn in your reading sheets after spring break, I will visit your classroom with a prize for you wearing that costume. Got it. Remember, reading gives you power. The more you read, the better you get, and the smarter you become.